Hello, hello, how are you all? Yeah, so this is a second session of stock marketing. So already we have been discussed about stock marketing introduction in the initial session, and we have discussed a lot of things in the initial session, like how exactly stock marketing works and some little definitions are there, right? So what is this stock marketing and basically how exactly stock marketing, so what is trading exactly, so how exactly we are trading helps to put either buy order or sell order in the stock marketing, and what is different types of accounts like demat account or trading account, what are the uses them, and some other definitions like how exactly and where exactly we have to open these two accounts, and how to choose the brokerage firms, and also based on what parameters we have to choose brokerage firms. These things we discussed, right? Like really the selection of brokerage firm is very important, because that's where the customer service is always very important, and whether he is providing good customer service support or not, or like whether he is providing us low brokerage charges or not, and obviously good customer service support or not. So these things are very important, already we have been discussed, right? So now, so as part of this learning, so now I brought one real-time use case. So basically you can understand like how exactly like stake share market works, how exactly what kind of decisions we need to take. So when share market down turns, so these things are every day we see them in paper, and okay, just the people who are not experienced with that, or they don't have the knowledge on that, simply skip it and move forward, right? But see, first of all, if we face that situation, then really we will think in that way. So, what kind of decisions we need to take? So, at the time, so how can we recover from that situation? What kind of decisions we need to take? Let's discuss. Okay. So let's start with one very good real-time scenario. So basically, let me start with one particular person whose name is Ramesh. Okay, so he's a professional, and who has been investing in stock market for years. Okay, so really he's a great fellow, and he has very good knowledge in share marketing. So basically, he started investing into the stock market since 2023. Okay, so basically he started. Uh, so he already built a portfolio. So I just write in small with shortcuts. Okay, so I think it will save our time. So his portfolio value 1 lakh. Okay, he has 1 lakh in his pocket, like he want to invest that 1 lakh into stock marketing. So he already decided, and he already has very good knowledge. So now what exactly he did, so with the 1 lakh of amount, what exactly he did, so he has very good fundamental knowledge in the stock marketing. So what exactly he did? Basically, here one point to be noted, guys. So I want to give you all one some kind of good suggestions whenever you do marketing. So definitely this will help you whenever you do stock marketing. So in this Ramesh point of view, what exactly using this 1 lakh? So he distribute his capital across different sectors. That means, so sector 1, and sector 2, and sector 3, and sector 4, and sector 5. So here 20, Okay, here same, here same, here same, here same. So basically what he did, so he has 1 lakh of amount in his pocket, and he distributed that investment across different sectors. Okay, he didn't invest in the single sector. Okay, so that's how we need to build our portfolio. Okay, we need to distribute our investments across the different sectors. Okay, so once he distributed his investments across the different sectors, basically here one more point. Whenever we choose sectors here, so first of all we should have proper understanding, and we should be very strong in the fundamentals of selection of the particular sector. And also we need to keep one more point in our mind: potential future growth. Okay, future potential growth is also very important when you choose the sector. So basically how he selected one banking sector. That means he invested in HDFC, and he invested in Infosys, that is IT sector, and he invested in automobiles, 20,000 there, and he invested in consumer like products, ITC, and another thing he invested in Reliance Industries as well. Okay, finally he built a portfolio 1 lakh with different sectors. Okay, so recently I mean the time goes on, and he see really very good profits. So basically you see the HDFC grew by 5%, and Infosys grew by 3%, and what is another one? Reliance Industries also grew by 5%, and automobiles, Maruti Suzuki also grew by 6%, and ITC also grew by 5%. So with these percentages, obviously his portfolio value become 1 lakh to he will see some good growth. That means 1.20 lakhs. So almost he see the profit 20,000 within a year. Okay, so he is in very good profit mode. Okay, so but what happened suddenly, so recently if you see the news, like not only recently, every time we see, right, some market crash or market downturns happen, right? So at that time same situation happened for Ramesh also, because Ramesh experienced market crash and downturns his portfolio. So almost what happened, so all his stocks like HDFC fell down by some 5%, and Infosys also fell down by 5%. Same thing, other sectors also fell down by 5%, 5%, around around 5 to 10% between. Okay, finally, he has seen some decline in his portfolio. That means 1 lakh 20 initially, right? So 1 lakh 20 to 1 lakh 10. So the inclined amount 1 lakh 10. Okay, really he got the experience of not normal experience, significant experience, and significant drop in his portfolio. So at that time, so what he did suddenly, okay, so basically this is the situation for every investor, right? So in this situation, basically what Ramesh did, so basically Ramesh basically since he is a very good knowledgeable person, so like first of all he is not in the panic mode. Okay, so in this situation, not only Ramesh, so we will think from our side as well. Okay, first of all we should this is really emotional response, guys. So whenever the market down trends happen, immediately we see it is emotionally connected to us, and we are in the panic mode, and we will sell our shares to, we will put the sell order in the share market. Okay, but that should not be happen, because first we have to do evaluate our shares and review our shares thoroughly, and we have to understand this particular downturn can be a temporary and might not be permanent. So in this situation, so first we have to avoid the urge sell of these particular stocks in a panic mode. Okay, urge sell of these stocks in a panic mode. This is really important, guys. Okay, so this urge of selling our stocks in a panic mode, really it is some kind of we we may face significant drop, or we may regret in future. Okay, so in this situation we have to take the advantage of dip buying, guys. So dip buying is very important in the stock marketing. So I think already people does investment banking and this share marketing very well, so they understood the definition of what dip buying. Dip buying is what? Dip buying is nothing but he will take the advantage of buy stocks at the lower price, and he will sell those stocks at the higher price. Okay, so he will take the advantage, and he will understand that particular downturn is a temporary, and already since he did some fundamental analysis, and he will evaluate his stocks. Okay, he understood which sectors are robust business model. Okay, these things he understood very well, and he take the advantage of dip buying, and he will buy more stocks at the lower price, and he will hold his stocks for future potential growth. Finally he will reach, definitely he will reach to the profit zone. Okay, so at that time what happened, so definitely since he already analyzed the market trends very well, and since he is experienced of market crash, and he don't be a panic, so he bought a lot of other stocks at the lower price. So obviously his analysis definitely will work out, and he will jump into the profit zone soon. Definitely this is really important, guys. So this avoiding like urge to sell off our stocks at the stocks in a panic mode. This is very important, and buying dip buying is very important. These two parameters are very important. So he just kept in our mind. So Ramesh also followed the same thing. Obviously he got he jumped into the profit zone soon. Okay, so that's what happened in his case. So definitely this analysis is also will definitely will help you, and you just believe your investments. Okay, just to do proper analysis, and do understand the fundamentals of particular sector. Okay, so then take the decision, guys. Okay, so I think really this analysis will help you, and take the decision from your side. So I hope really this session will help you. Okay, thanks for this opportunity.